Good afternoon. It's Sunday, February 2nd, about 12:30 in the afternoon on the 82 two-tone charcoal silver Corvette getting ready to be listed with BAT. This is the cold start. As you can see, right on the intake where the water comes out, it's 71 degrees, so it's cold as can be. And now I'm going to go over here and start the car. Started right up on fast idle.